Hi, are you going to show us something useful today rather than just messing about?
Well, actually, for your information, it's not messing about, and you've got a stupid voice, so go fuck yourself. We're looking at the difference between a Python script run in Linux Mint and one run in Windows 10. Identical code written in both operating systems, and when it runs, we get different results. And it's a known bug. You can look it up on Stack Overflow, and yeah, it's just a difference. So I've shown it here with the extra line, sys.stdout.flush. So that was the line I've added to make it work identically on both. Without that, the Windows one prints character by character to the console, whereas the Windows one loops through and then buffers it and then prints the entire output in one go at the end. You'll see that shortly. Here we go. So we'll run the Linux version first using Python 3. This is the fixed version, printing it to the screen character by character, a bit like the old video printer on the grandstand, if you ever watched that kind of nonsense. Same on Windows. Right, without that line, which was that line wasn't present on the example that I started working with earlier. I spent quite a while testing it in Linux, and I wasn't getting the desired result. So there we go. Prints a character in Windows. In Linux, you get a long pause while it's, and then you go prints it all at once. This kind of output is quite useful if you know, yeah, you can add a random function and randomize the delay in milliseconds or whatever in between each character being printed, and then it looks like a human being's typing it. You get a slightly different delay between each character being typed. So yeah, difference between Linux and Windows using Python. It's only when you're printing to the screen, and there we go. Neither is right or wrong, they're just different. Although if you use Windows for writing Python, then that's up to you. I prefer Linux, and so might you. Otherwise we could fall out. So what was I going to talk about? Got some fucking idiots asking me today for some documents that they lost because they migrated a system, and then they've lost all the documents, which are security documents, and they've lost them because they're a bunch of fucking idiots. There we go. Just thought I'd share my daily grind with you. GitHub, yeah, I was going to talk about that yesterday, but I got sidetracked. GitHub. I've watched a few videos, and people who write code often used to say it was a good thing to learn, and yeah, long story short, I'm not going to go into it here, but if you look at the about page on my channel, you'll see a link to GitHub, and yeah, it's quite interesting and well worth investigating if you've never looked at GitHub. And if you're on a Raspberry Pi, Linux, whatever, it will work. And there's about 4 commands you need to learn once you've set it all up. You'll need to I automated I added my SSH key to GitHub. I created it on the Linux box, and then I copied the SSH key onto GitHub, so that meant I didn't have to put a password in every time I did any uploads, etc. So yeah, there we go. Yeah, quick video. I'll get back to the pygame in due course, which yeah, I need to a lot of typing in that. Too much typing for my liking. Anyway, I hope you're having a good day. I found a broken bit of Oreo biscuit on my floor earlier, and I ate that, so that's cheered me up actually. That was the highlight of my day. So
Well, thanks, Dr. Pie. That was quite interesting.
Yeah,
I think I
there
might
we
have a
go.
look at GitHub. And thanks for the tip on the difference between Python printing to the console using the time delay inside a for loop. And I've forgotten what I'm going to say. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, everyone. Bye!